Hello and welcome back to GT Retro World. Well, today we've taken a first look at an antenna that was sent over from the guys at Radioddity, and it is the HF-010, and it's a successor to the version that was out last year, which was the 009, I think. I've never tried that one, but I think that's the model anyway. Well, this covers 80 meters through to 6 meters now, so that's going to be quite interesting, all in this little case. Yeah. Also, we've got a mount as well, which is the HF-010A, which is an adapter mount, so you can actually place this antenna on top of a mag mount or whatever. This is sold separately, by the way, but we'll go through that in a minute. Anyway, guys, let's have a little look into this antenna. Okay, let's start with the case. Now, this is what it comes in. As you can see, it's well put together. It's a good solid case. It's got a carry handle on it. It's also got a shoulder strap, so that's neat, isn't it? It's a good start anyway, that's for sure. The case measures 55 by 20 by 9 centimeters deep, so it's not a big case, you know. It's pretty compact, really, considering. It also weighs 3 kilos packed. That's the whole thing. Its net weight is only 2.5 kilos, so it's a lot light. I mean, obviously the case and what adds a bit of weight to it. I mean, to be honest, I'd have no problem carrying that up the top of a hill with a radio at all. So that's a good start, but anyway, with the case. So let's have a look what we've got inside. Let's have a look. Turn this round. Flip that open. So this is the manual. You can see there, guys. Nicely put together. I can read that without my glasses on, and I'm about a foot away, which is good for me. So that's good news. Okay. Let's break down what we've got in here. I'll go through that in a minute. Yeah, it's a nice clear manual, that. I know a lot of the guys don't show you this type of thing, but I like to do it, to be honest. It's a good memory jog for myself as well as others, or you see what you're getting then, aren't you, I suppose. Hard soil, soft soil, concrete surface, or windproof. That's with the bag. We'll go through that in a minute anyway. Yeah, and this is what it covers in frequencies. I mean, look at this. This is what got me when I seen this. This is a novel, isn't it? 11 meters. Hey, yeah, it's a cheeky one, isn't it? Anyway, that's the manual. Hope you're getting that there, not getting too much glare off that light. They're a bit shiny, these manuals. But yeah, it's quite comprehensive, that, like, in my opinion. In fact, it's very comprehensive. Yeah, so there's the specifications. 3.56 megahertz to 50 megahertz. SWR, well, it's saying 1.5 there, which is good enough, isn't it? More than good enough. 50 ohms, which is the given. Max total length 2.75 meters. Maximum visible length is 5.1 meters. Alright, okay. Maximum power 100 watts on CW and SSB, 150 watts PEP. Ground radials, there's 3 of those, 4.8 meters, so quite large. Total antenna coaxial length is 10 meters. We'll go through that in a minute. We've been through the weights. Okay, so that's a bit of the technical spec there. Okay, let's have a look at this antenna then, see what we've got. So first off, we've got the antenna stub, and that's where everything bolts to, basically. You can see these little holes around here. That's what you fit the ground planes to. There's 3 of those. There's the antenna spike. Okay, guys, yeah. We've got the extension rod here. That's one extension rod. This is the main loading coil from 5 to 18 megahertz. You can see we've also got a adjustable slide on here. You can see there, guys. Yeah. This here is the new 80 meter coil. As you can see there, guys. You only need to use this for the 80 meters, obviously. But as you can see, this is a new addition this year with a 010. Then we have the telescopic whip, which is just under 3 meters long. I think it's 2.75. Okay, nicely put together. And a little upgrade on these I've noticed is these used to be aluminium on the end of here. They've changed this to stainless steel now, so those are a stainless steel upgrade. So that's going to be a bit neater, isn't it? 'Cause aluminium's okay, but it can be a bit, yeah, it can wear in time, can't it, if you're screwing these in and out. Here we have another upgrade on this year's, which is in addition to the ground spike. We have a tripod. Okay. I mean, it's probably worth guying this if you're going to use that, you know, even though we've got that water bag, I still think probably worth guying, especially if you're in windy conditions, because like I say, this is designed for like POTA and SOTA, isn't it, I suppose. Right, so that's basically the antenna. So next we'll have a look what we've got in here. And this way it gets a little bit more interesting. Well, I suppose it doesn't really. We've got a tape measure, neat, for measuring your antenna lengths. Now these are a lot neater this year, aren't they? This is your radials. Now they're on a little reel now, look. Isn't that neat? So there's 3 of those, obviously. And you wind these off, depending on what bands you're using, I suppose. You wind these off in the different lengths. Again, I'll go through that in another video when we get it up in the air. This here is the bag that you fill with water to hold the thing down if you've got, you know, if it's a bit of a windy location, I suppose. There we are, look. And that goes over the top of this. Okay, straight over the top of your tripod. Yeah, you get the idea there, guys. Pretty straightforward. I'll tell you one thing, what's nice about this case as well, you can keep everything in there, can't you? You're not going to lose everything, which is a nice touch, I suppose. We've got a BNC to SO239 connector there, guys. So some rigs are going to need that, aren't they? So that's neat. Also, this year we've got an extra 5 meters of coax, so there's 10 meters of coax included with this kit this year. Also on a nice little spool, look at that, isn't that neat? Yeah, very nice. Yeah, it feels good quality there actually. And that just, have a little look here. I'm guessing that just pulls out. Is that a lock? It is a lock. There we are. Oh, that's nice. As you can see, that just pulls out like so and winds back in like so. Okay, this is just the tail, isn't it? But yeah, that's pretty neat there actually. It's quite good. It's actually got plastic bearings in there as well and a little lock there so you can lock that in. Yeah, it's neat that. And 10 meters is handy, isn't it? I mean, I dare say you don't really need that much for POTA or SOTA or whatever you want to use portable, but it is handy. I suppose if you've got a caravan you might need a bit more, or that type of thing, a holiday home. But yeah, that's a neat little touch. Okay, let's see if we can get this all back into its bag. Yeah, whatever it's out today, but the weather's atrocious out there. It's windy and it's raining, so I thought I'd give you the first look. And we'll get out in the field next week or the week after. Radials, another radial, tape measure, BNC SO239, that's in. So far so good, guys. No, it is neat that, it's a great idea that, keep everything in its own place. The 80 meter trap, the tripod, the extension, the main trap for between 5 and 18 megahertz. Let's get this right here so this doesn't pop out. Another extension pole, so there's 2 of those. Ground spike, the main base connector, which you can see there, guys, is neatly finished off that. Goes into there like so. And we have, last but not least, the stainless steel telescopic whip. Well, yeah, that's just a first look, guys, to be honest. Wow, well, it all went in. And that's what it's all about. Let's just see if it'll zip back up. Easy. In fact, that's gone in better than it did. So that's a first look, guys. Like I say, the weather's a bit rough, and I thought, what the hell, it's Sunday afternoon. I've only been told to get this on. I've had literally a few hours notice, and I thought, right, I'll do a quick video just to show you what's included in the new version, to be honest. The quality looks really good, to be honest, guys. Yeah, I think this is going to be quite useful, this. I'll be doing a lot with this over the summer. I can't see why not, because look at the size of it. I mean, I could even go backpacking with that, even on my bike. I mean, look at it, it is tiny. So yeah, guys, yeah, it looks really good. I nearly forgot to show the HF-010A, which is the mount. As you can see there, guys, straight on the bottom of a SO239 mag mount, or whatever you want to use, I suppose. And you can use this on your car. I wouldn't drive with it on, obviously, definitely not. As you can see there, guys, this could be used straight away on even this whip on its own, I suppose. Neat, eh? Or with the extensions, whatever frequency you want to use, I suppose. But again, we're going to have to go through that at a later date, because it's definitely not the weather today, without a doubt. But yeah, neat. Will that fit in there as well, or is it going to be... maybe. Yeah, I'll go in there. Like I say, guys, this is sold separately. Don't confuse this in with a kit, because it's not. It's a separate item. But I think that's going to be quite useful, that. If you're portable in your car, you just plonk it straight on your roof, and away you go. But yeah, good. Let's see if this zips up with that in there. Hang on a minute. Nearly got the manual. I'm going to need that, aren't I? It's in. Everything's in. So there we go, guys. I've added a little bit more weight with that little mount, but even still, it's not heavy, you know. Yeah, neat. I like it. Right, guys, that's all I wanted to show you today. It was just basically just a first look with it being a brand new product. There's no prices as yet, to be honest. This is the only problem. I've got no price listing, but I'll leave the links in the description, and the pricing should be up as this video goes out. And we look forward to having a play with this in the future. I'll get it on the analyzer, and we'll go through all the bands and whatnot and give it a proper go. Anyway, guys, hopefully you found this interesting. Thumbs up for the channel, and we'll catch you later. Bye for now.